guys, it's Amy. How you doing? Welcome to my channel and thank you for watching. Oh my gosh, my feet are asleep because I've been sitting like on my knees on this pillow, and yeah, I'm like trying to sit to the side right now, which is why I'm not really even here. Trying to get some feeling back into my feet, and oh, now I know how my fiance must feel because he had knee surgery today and he had a nerve block done, so he has like no feeling from like his thigh down to his ankle, and at least I'm getting my back. But anyway, today's video is going to be a real quick unbagging of this guy, KissMe, from Live Glam. They do the More For Me subscription, and then they do this KissMe subscription that I have unbagged one other time. And it's 3 liquid lipsticks a month for $19.99, and that includes shipping and taxes and everything, and which is a great deal because the lipsticks are worth it. Like, I would pay $20 for one lipstick. They're really that good. So, and excuse my hair, I am filming late. It's probably almost 3 a.m. I took a shower and just let my hair dry, and I will deal with it tomorrow. Because of the surgery and everything, my schedule is off, and I just want to get filming done. I mean, not get it done, like I enjoy doing it, but I want to get it done and take off my makeup real quick and then just be able to go to bed. I didn't want to take more time to do my hair, so you just get to deal with me looking like an idiot. It's even worse if I put this down, but anyway, let's just open this up and get started. See if this thing actually works for me this time. They usually don't. Oh, it did. Yes. And it comes with a little booklet. And okay, so this is Live Glam KissMe New Year's Kiss. And I'm guessing these are the 3 colors, but I won't show you for too long. And then they give lip swatches of each one and the name. So I'm going to do back of my hand swatches because this month I actually got this for my friend. She's just going to send me the money and I'll send her the lippies, but because they were just colors she really wanted, and I already have some similar colors. So anyway, comes in a black satin bag. Usually it says Kiss Me on it, but some of them didn't at the beginning of my subscription. This has only been going on since I think April of 2017 is when it started, so I don't have all of them. I think I started in June, but alright. We'll go in order of what is on the card. The first one is called Sequins. It says, grab your sequin party dress and pair it with this gorgeous metallic peachy rose gold shade to stand out as much as the Times Square ball. And this is what it looks like. If it'll focus. And then the swatch of it. Ooh, wow, that's pretty. And these smell amazing. They smell like frosting, like vanilla frosting. But anyway, this is what it looks like. I'm kind of jealous she's getting this one. I don't have this one that looks like this. That's so pretty how that shifts. We'll see what it looks like once it dries down. So this guy's Sequins. The next one is Goals. Before the ball drops, make sure to write down all of your goals for the new year. One of them will definitely include rocking this striking matte red shade all through 2018. It's a really pretty red. Looks like it's hard to see through, the frosted glass, but we'll see in a second on my hand. Alright, that's a really bad swatch there. Has a little bit of orange in it looks like. It's not like a blue red so much, but it's still really pretty. Oh, that first one though is gorgeous. I can't stand that this line is not straight. There we go. There is goals. And then there's one more, and it's called Midnight. As the clock strikes midnight, grab a cutie and give them a smooch wearing this matte gray lippy for a magical New Year's kiss. Don't worry, it's kiss proof. And it's this guy. So we'll see what he looks like. This one's a little more watery than the other ones. But I already have a gray lipstick from ColourPop, so, and she was like, ooh, I love that gray. And I'm like, well then take it. That's what the gray looks like. So this is Sequins. And ignore my nails. I was just explaining in my last video that with the surgery and everything, I've been picking at my nails, like, because this has been going on since last week. It happened last Thursday, and today is Wednesday. So, yeah, I have just been picking all my nail polish off. So, anyway, just ignore that. So, Sequins, Goals, and Midnight. And then I'll show you the little packet where they show the lip swatches, because that gives you a better idea, but I can't really do lip swatches. My lips are too dry right now. So there's Sequins. And then we have Goals, which still looks a little orangey, but still looks really good. Yeah, see, I have like no nail polish right there at all. Oops. Okay, and then Midnight. That one looks really cool. So, that is what the Live Glam Kiss Me bag is like for January of 2018. I'll put them all back in here for her so I can ship those out. And do any of you guys get this subscription? I know it's not a really big, like, well-known one, but, oh, now it hurts sitting the way I'm sitting. I just can't get comfortable. But, yeah, if you don't get it, you should, because it's a great way to build up your collection with really phenomenal, like, comfortable lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. And I'm really picky about my liquid lipsticks, and I just love these. I put those up there with, like, Smashbox, Ofra, Galactic, like, my favorite ones. So, yeah, definitely get Kiss Me from Live Glam. You can just go to liveglam.com, I believe, and sign up. And I have a referral code, but I can link it down below. Yeah, I'll go ahead and link it down below. And then you can find it a little bit easier if you want to sign up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope you consider subscribing. And thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day or night wherever you are. Bye. Peace out.